Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with TikTok Ads Manager for online sales, full guide step by step clearly. Open TikTok Ads Manager in your web browser. Log in to your TikTok account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the campaign tab on the top menu. Click on the create button to start a new ad campaign. Choose your advertising objective based on your online sales goals. For online sales, select conversions or traffic as your objective. Set your campaign budget according to your advertising plans. Click on Continue to move to the ad group creation. Define your ad group name for easy identification. Select your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Adjust the placements of your ads, choosing automatic or manual placements. Set your budget for this ad group, either daily or lifetime. Define the schedule for your ads, selecting start and end dates. Proceed to the ad creation step by clicking on Continue. Choose your ad format, such as single video or carousel. Upload your creative assets like images or videos. Add compelling ad copy that resonates with your target audience. Include a call to action button that directs viewers to your online store. Review all settings for accuracy and effectiveness. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to launch your campaign. Monitor your ad performance regularly through the dashboard. Make adjustments as necessary based on the data collected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.